Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This is a Panasonic washing machine. Suddenly cannot use. So let's see what is the problem. Uh, Actually it can use, but it's not powerful. It's not washing properly and it's not drying properly also. It looks like no power. Cannot spin also. If I put extra water, so it's same thing. It's looks like no power. It's not powerful. So let's see what is the problem. Then if I put spin mode, still washing mode, wash mode also same. See, it's like no power. So if I put the spin mode, let's see how is it. For spin mode also same things. It's look very slow. It's not strong. So dear viewers, if this see applied on is problem is the belt is very loose. See, if I press the drum, then if I move the motor, so motor is moving but drum is not moving. So it's main reason the belt. So actually there are left and right, there are two screw you can adjust also without change, but I have to change it because this very bad condition, the belt. But if you see your belt is okay, then you can adjust, but this is the very bad. Number is 19.8. so I have same size 19.8. So dear viewers, if you see your washing machine is it's not looks like not powerful, so there are two reasons. First reason and common reason is belt, and if you see your belt is okay, then second reason is capacitor. If capacitor is not good, then also it will happen like this. See, alhamdulillah, after I changed the belt, now it has been okay. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.